Before billionaires had Gulfstreams, before anyone posted selfies from a jet seat, there was one man and one machine that started it all. But the first private flight didn't come from Hollywood or Wall Street. It came from the White House. In the early 1950s, President Dwight D. Eisenhower was redefining what flight meant for power. He didn't just want speed, he wanted presence. That's how the Lockheed VC-121A, the Columbine II, came to be. A modified constellation, polished silver and elegant. It had radios, plush seating, and even a bedroom. It wasn't a weapon of war. It was a tool of diplomacy. And it became the first aircraft ever to use the call sign Air Force One. For the first time in history, the skies became an extension of the Oval Office. But that was the government's version of private flight. The true civilian revolution came a decade later. His name was Bill Lear, an inventor, dreamer, and, by all accounts, a little bit crazy. He already had his name on radios, audio systems, and early aviation instruments. But in the early 1960s, Lear wanted something no one had built before. A jet so fast, so small, and so elegant that a single businessman could own it. In 1963, inside a hangar in Wichita, Kansas, the first Learjet 23 took flight. It could cruise faster than commercial airliners, climb higher than military fighters, and turn the rich businessman into his own pilot. For the first time, flight wasn't just for presidents or corporations. It was personal. It was freedom. The Learjet was an instant icon. Hollywood stars, oil tycoons, corporate executives, they all wanted one. It wasn't just a machine, it was a statement that your time mattered more than everyone else's.
While Eisenhower's Columbine symbolized power,
Bill Lear's jet symbolized independence. It was the start of the modern private aviation era. From the Learjet came Cessna Citations, Gulfstreams, Bombardiers, and an entire culture of skybound luxury. So, when you see a gleaming jet streak across the sky, remember, it all began with two men, a president and an inventor. One redefined flight for power, the other for freedom. Together, they gave birth to the private jet dream.